points A, B, C, D lie on the circumference of a circle A, B, C, D. TS is the tangent to circle at D, and we know that the angle BDT is 72, and we're asked to find the angle BAD. Okay, so just drawing this out separately, so the angle that we're being asked to find is this one down here. However, we can find this one here. So first of all, we're going to find angle BCD, so BCD, this one here, by using the alternate segment theorem, because these two angles are the same. So angle BCD is 72, and naming the theorem, because it says give reasons, the alternate segment theorem. So this one is 72 as well. Okay, so going to this diagram here, if we put a line through there, what we have here, A, B, C, D, is a cyclic quadrilateral, which means that the opposite angles here add up to 180, because the opposite angles of the cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180. So angle BAD, the one that we're being asked to find, which is this angle here, BAD, is going to be 180 minus 72, which opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is the reason, which gives me 108 degrees. So this has been a video to show you how to do a problem which involves two theorems, the alternate segment theorem and opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral. I hope you understand, and I thank you very much for watching.